welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Yesterday I didn't really do anything noteworthy, so I went ahead and just skipped the video. Basically all I had was literally this picture, and I cleaned the laydown for most of the day. So anyways, I had that picture there with a dot, which signifies where I poked a hole to cut this hole for this box right here. Yes, it doesn't line up with anything, but you'll see here in a second why. These are some late additions to basically finished product that we had to come out of this nurse call box right here. So basically we had to add this last minute, and this is the only spot that it can go, as you can see from the back side of the wall right here. There's just pipe and other wires, so there wasn't really any other spots. This is the window that they cut open for us to put the box in. So basically they're adding these nurse call boxes or whatever. They're going to be some kind of nurse data. So they're adding these after the fact, after everything was already completed. That seems like a great time to me to make your final decision of where you want to put in your nurse call. So that was a great time to put these in. So we're going to have to go back and change all these and add all these in. Added one down below here as well for the bed. That was the first one you saw. This is the second one, which was the easiest one right here. It was pretty easy. Just kind of have to do a little standoff right here with a spreader bar. And then the last one right here, which was actually the second one that I worked on. This was the biggest nightmare one right here. There was a pipe in the way, which I probably could have removed. But basically, there was a spreader bar holding on this 3-gang box. I was going to Sawzall it, and then by the time I Sawzalled it, it wasn't even screwed down to the sheetrock, so it came out of the sheetrock. And then we had to remove the box anyways because the mud ring was sticking out on the other side. So basically we had to remove the box and move it back, and then I just had to screw it down to the other spreader bars that were there. So it was a whole jigsaw kind of thing, but I ended up getting it to work out. And then screwed the boxes obviously to the spreader bars, screwed the spreader bars down to the wall. So this was the first room right here with the nurse call box down below for the bed, the one up top, so you guys already seen that one. This is in the second room right here. Kind of came out nice and in line almost with the other top red receptacles right here, screwed in from the side once again. And that's just using a 1/2-inch offset nipple or half-inch chase. I forget the specific name, but as you can see, they're starting to put in the cabinets in these rooms, as we basically already left these areas like a week or two ago. They're starting to do more finish work in here. We were basically already done with all our electrical in here, all the lights, all the receptacles, switches, for the most part, I believe. Then here is the last one, the nightmare one, that we had to remove the 3-gang box, and doesn't look like we really damaged anything, so that's nice, so we don't have to come back and fix that. Anyways, that was pretty much my day adding in these boxes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys back in the next video, which will not be tomorrow because I will not be going to work tomorrow. So maybe I'll be back on Thursday, but I'll try to get you guys out some other quick tips and stuff like that, either on this channel or on my Instagram tomorrow. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.